So let me start with our project on enhancing STEM learning for youth in Kerala, which is an entrepreneurship approach. This project is jointly being done by Learning Links Foundation, and we have a government partner who are called as Akshaya Learning Centers. So a bit of background on what Kerala state is. Kerala is one of the southernmost state in India. It's one of the progressive states with nearly 100% literacy rates. The recent Human Development Index report also stated that Kerala is one of the very progressive states in India. There has been the state has got traditional agricultural based economy, and recent development have been in the areas of information technology. There are a couple of science park, couple of IT parks, couple of information technology parks coming up in the state, and there is a lot of focus on education as well in last couple of years. We have been present in Kerala since the year 2000. In the last 10 years, we have been doing teacher professional development for use of technology in education. We have reached out to close to around 2000 schools in the state of Kerala and have trained 150,000 teachers, science, math, and language teachers, on effective and judicious use of ICTs and technologies in their classrooms. Interestingly, all these 1500 schools, all these 2000 plus schools in the state have been computerized by the state government. They have fairly good internet access in the schools. Most of these schools also have a certain kind of software developed in the local language for training students in these schools. Apart from this, Learning Links Foundation is also engaged in community development programs where we train youths who do not have access to technology. The state government has come up with an innovative program called Akshaya Centers. These Akshaya Centers are present in 3,000 villages. These are community centers well equipped with the technology, internet, etc. So that youths in that community actually can actually access technology, take services which are related to technology. So Learning Links Foundation has been working with Akshaya centers since last 5-6 years and have trained close to 100,000 youths in these 3,000 community centers across the state. Currently, we are one of the. This is the first time we are the members of the HP Catalyst program, and we are part of the STEMpreneur initiative. And under this program, what we plan to do in the state of Kerala is to promote STEM education among youth of Kerala, leading to ideation and fostering social entrepreneurship. The very idea of fostering social entrepreneurship in this state of Kerala is that this state of Kerala, where we have a lot of local knowledge in terms of agriculture, in terms of other social innovation. So we thought we will catch up on this part at an early stage and apply local knowledge and STEM practices to enhance and promote social innovation in locally relevant issues. Then what we intend to do is partner with Akshaya centers and set up center of excellences for STEM based entrepreneurship training in Kerala. Enhance STEM training in this year, we are targeting around 2000 youth in Kerala and encourage STEM in social entrepreneurship. So this is what is the focus we are taking up in the STEMpreneur program. We have selected two districts, Malappuram district and Cochin district. These two are two districts in the state of Kerala, where LLF will be setting up the centers with the help of the technology infrastructure provided by HP. We also provide the curriculum and training support and provide training support and project management support as well. While the Akshaya, who will be our partners, will provide the physical infrastructure in setting up the centers, taking care of the running costs, etc., and also provide administrative costs. So this is what is the plan. Then the training curriculum, which we will be giving to the youths in Kerala, will focus on encouraging youth to apply STEM practices to address local issues, which in turn can lead to ideation and social ventures. Apart from this, in the past, we have been also doing some social innovation kind of activities with the youths in Kerala in terms of they going back and coming out with ideas which are locally relevant for their agriculture, healthcare, Ayurveda, etc. The training will be the training curriculum will be developed by Learning Links Foundation, and the same will be reviewed and adopted by Akshaya Center for Training Youth in Kerala. So this is what is the plan which we are currently focusing on. The target audience for the training would be teachers from the local schools, youth in the age group of 17 to 25, youth with maths and science background, basically the higher secondary students, polytechnics, ITI, bachelors in science, and other science diploma holders. So we will follow a cascading training model in terms of training science teachers and faculties from as a TOTs, and also do a direct training with the help of Learning Links Foundation. This is a snapshot of one of the community center. This is the Akshaya Center where the citizens of this village called Pottimattam, around 56 kilometers from Cochin, this center is present in this village, and here we can see the citizens availing services of the internet center or the Akshaya Center in that locality. This is the typical setup of the computer lab in the Akshaya Center. The ages of the students who take part in this are in the age group of especially there are various programs in this Akshaya Center, and the age group would be between 14 and 25, and our program for STEMpreneur is focusing on 17 to 25 with students with science and math background. That's it from our side. We look forward to an exciting journey with the STEMpreneur program in the state of Kerala.